Okay guys, we got a package from Taurus 88 Oil Shop, Jakarta Utara. This should be a magnetic charger with the head with magnets. I buy rather much because my phone. Okay, this is the specification and the prices. The head, this is a micro plug, and we buy another 3 type C, and the cable, and this is type C plug. This is the items. This is using 7 connectors, make it easy. Okay, let's see inside. First, I will open the packages in here. From here you can access the package easily. Yeah. Whoa. We got 3 cables. And 4 connectors type C and 1 connectors micro. Okay. Just the cables. We will test it. This is using 7-pin connector. And this is actually 7-pin connector too, and this is magnetic. Okay, actually I have the phone, the electrical, and the charger. Okay, we will test it one by one. First I will test this. It's like this. This has like fabric. This one has a connector. Let's see. This should be fast charging. Turn on. And my phone is type C, so I must take the type C first. Oh, the type C is P1 because each have a magnetic. Can you see this? Okay, you only need one this, and put here to your phone like this, and when you're charging it's just like this. Charge. So easy. You see, so easy. And when take it off, you need like this. Take it off. So your port is safe. And let it go like that. Yeah, you bring your phone. It never disturb you like that. When you want to charging, just put like this. Charge. Very easy. That's why you must buy this. Very easy. Very easy. And now I will check another cable. The good news of the sign is you know where if the cable doesn't work or not work. So the cables work. I will test each cable. Cables works. See? Very easy. Very easy to charge. Just like this. Charge. So easy to charge. You can turn it and everywhere. Charge. Very easy. So this is it. All we buy. Thank you for watching.